Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the GLAKER brand men's grooming set. This is a beard trimmer and body grooming kit that we'll open it up. We'll show you all the different parts and pieces, test it out, and of course let you know whether or not it's worth buying. All right, so as we get this open, there is a lot to cover, so I'm going to go over it pretty quickly. First of all, you're going to have your user manual that's going to explain all the parts, pieces, adjustments, all that stuff. Nice little, looks like grooming cloak, we'll call it, something to cover you up. This is the main piece, so just going to show that it comes with a cover. This is your body groomer. When you pull these things out, they are magnetic, and this is just a cover for the body groomer. Then we're going to have a beard and hair trimmer. To tell you the truth, you got to kind of look up close to see which is which. I believe this on the left here is my beard trimmer because it's the tighter one. Hair trimmer is going to be on the right. This is going to be my detail trimmer, which is going to be in the middle there. This is going to be a shaver, just a foil shaver, and then a nose hair clipper. Now all these things, and this is the cool thing, just clip right in magnetically. So they are interchangeable, which is totally awesome. On the bottom here, which I'll show you since I'm showing it here, is your USB-C charger, and your power button is going to be right here. It's currently locked, it looks like. So we'll have to go ahead and read our instruction manual to see what we need to do. I'm assuming I just need to kind of put something in there, but I could be wrong. So I'll read the instruction manual and figure that out in a minute. More pieces. We've got an oil to keep these kind of running smoothly, and then a couple guards to again cover, so you can adjust exactly the length that you want. And then there's a little brush cleaner in there. You actually have a dual purpose comb, tighter and longer hair. And then of course your USB-C charger. So now that I've gone through kind of all those, I'm going to demonstrate, and I'm going to use the beard trimmer specifically to kind of cut my facial hair. But I wanted to kind of just walk you through all these first. And I love this idea, is that it's got your little body trimmer, body hair trimmer, and that it has a guard, because sometimes you go into some sensitive places and you want it to be not touching your skin. So like I said, I'm gonna figure out how to turn this on, and I'll walk you through that in a moment, and then I'm gonna get it charged up, and we'll do some facial shaving. All right, so I figured I'd update you on exactly how to get the lock off. So it comes locked, and it's a nice little travel feature, but what we're gonna do is just hold it for about 5 seconds, turn it off, and then it will automatically start to go on. So just be careful when you are removing the lock. Note that. And you'll also see this line here, which is going to be your battery level. So that's going to tell you how much juice you've got left in this thing. So we're going to get it charged up fully. And then to turn it off, we're just going to press the power button, turn it back on that way. But if I want to lock it back up, I want to lock it from the on position, and I'm going to just hold it for 5 seconds. And I'll see that lock position again. So we'll finish getting it charged up, then we'll use it. All right, so first thing I want to show you is that when you actually turn it on, I was mistaken. I think it's from the top down that you'll show the battery. So I'm just going to go ahead and shave my face a little bit using this directly, and just give you an idea. On the difference between shaving and not shaving. It's pretty close shave. So hopefully you can see kind of where we are here. Almost no pulling at all, which is nice. Very important for me is to not have my face feel like it's getting ripped out. You can probably put some guards on this if needed, depending on kind of length. I kind of usually run with like a perpetual 5 o'clock shadow, I just feel that it's a little bit more comfortable for me. So I'll continue to shave this up here, and then I'll show you kind of the after. So I'll give you a good idea of the before, and then we'll cut to it in a second and show you the after. All right, so just finished up, and I just want to show you kind of, it barely used any of the power, so I'm very happy there. So the power's really good, easy to clean. This thing is waterproof as well, so super easy for that. And really did a nice job overall. So again, gives me a tight kind of shave without using the foil. That is still an option. If I wanted to bring this thing in, I can definitely continue to get it closer, but for me, this is absolutely perfect. I'm going to be cutting my hair, getting rid of kind of one of those wall hair trimmers as well. So I think it's a 6-in-1 tool. This thing is totally worth buying. Hopefully this review helps you, and thanks for watching.